party at my place. Mark your calendar.
All right, when?
Third weekend. Here you go.
Look at
Saturday, March.
Okay. Fun.
That is so cute. Is that darling?
Debbie? I always forget her name, her doggie's name.
Debbie, Christy? Misha.
Misha. Misha.
Is that just adorable? So cute.
Misha! Look at that.
Oh, don't bite her.
Too cute.
Honestly. Oh, don't bite her, honey.
Is that cute?
This is just...
Oh my goodness. Are they in tune with each other? I mean, look at that.
That is so cute.
That is darling.
Oh, don't bite her.
Oh.
I knew that was coming.
Little bit too
I knew
much.
that was coming.
Little
Yes.
bit too much there.
Oh, God, that is adorable.